afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamia 2014 government pass question. Question number 46 says Commonwealth of nations are represented in other member nations by dash. Commonwealth of nations are represented by other members nations. That is, the Commonwealth of nations, they have their representatives. That is, representatives in each other state or country, and this person is regarded as so. That is, the name given to the representatives. So that is what the question is asking. So the name given to the representative, option A say charge affairs, B ambassador, C high commissioner, D attaches. Attaches means followers. So high commissioner means a representative of a particular country in Commonwealth nation. So option C is correct. An ambassador is a representative of a country. The charge affairs is an officer, means officer. So option C is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.